Hey guys, Strange RV Tours here. I'm Janet. I'm showing you where we're at this time. Here comes the car. We're right off a highway, and we're in Wikiup, Arizona. And this is Dazzo's, that is, a Chicago-style eatery and RV park. And we're staying. Actually, we stayed last night. Here comes a truck, here comes a car, and staying tonight and tomorrow night. Then we'll go on towards Phoenix. Anyway, let me show you around. The people here are really nice. The food is really good. Just an oasis out in nowhere land. This is crazy. All of a sudden, all these cars are coming. Anyway, here we go. There we go. And the sun's starting to go down. It's been kind of warm. The wind's always going. It's died down some. We never did put our awning out or our mat, but this is a fun little place. And the shop here, these girls freak me out here. And here's a little beer garden, they call it. That it's out here in nowhere land. And anyway, there you go. And it's pretty cool. And all these signs for sale, hats, cereal, snacks, jewelry, a few necessities here. Of course, you do scratch offs. Yeah, do the lottery. Of course, postcards. Pretty neat things up here. Yeah, dream catchers. A little bit of pottery. And some pretty cool things. This is really odd. Look at this. Made out of old tires. And anyway, but people here are really nice. We had some great Chicago dogs. Oh my gosh, delicious. And we've had some of the best. Anyway, guys, I'll show you the rest of the place. All right? Bye. All right, guys, let's go take a walk. Here we go. They have all kinds of burgers, hot dogs, pizza, but not much to it. It's a nice stop in between, like Bullhead City and Phoenix and Kingman, in between Kingman and Phoenix. And there's a hot springs out here that we're going to try to hit tomorrow before it gets too hot. But they have a little swing set here, and the washer and dryers are back here, and the bathroom and shower. But it's just a timeout. That's all it is, really. A little shower. And laundry room. Let me show you the laundry room. Half of it's outside. It's alright though. Yeah. Alright. And see, I said the washers are outside, dryers are inside. That's awesome. And the bathrooms are co-ed. There's just a toilet and a shower. You know, simple. It's clean, you know. Pretty cool. Cacti. And all the mountains and hills around us. Yeah. And of course, you always get the wonderful sunsets in Arizona and New Mexico. And we're kind of sitting low here, though. All right, guys. Anyway, here we are. That's us. All right. All right. Turn you around here. And I'll just have a seat. Hey. All right. Strange RV Tours. Hit subscribe and like and the little bell. That'll work. And hopefully you'll come across some of these places. Know what to expect. All right. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Bye.